Did you know that it only takes about 4 minutes for someone to decide if they're attracted to you? That's right, just 4 minutes to make an impression that could last a lifetime. And here's another jaw-dropper: 55% of attraction is based on body language alone, while only 7% is about what you say. That means how you carry yourself can be more powerful than the words you use. So, if you're wondering how to make someone obsessed with you, it's not about playing games or using cheesy lines. It's about mastering subtle, science-backed strategies that make you irresistible. In this video, you'll discover how to tap into the psychology of attraction. We'll explore the hidden secrets of emotional connection, how to create irresistible mystery, and the best ways to become someone people can't get enough of. Get ready to unlock the power of your presence, your energy, and your mindset. Stick around, because the next few minutes could change your love life forever. Chapter 1: The Magnetic Vibe. Cultivate your charismatic energy. Everyone loves to be around people who radiate confidence. The key to making someone obsessed with you starts with cultivating a magnetic vibe, an energy that attracts others without you even trying. According to research, body language makes up 55% of communication, so how you carry yourself can make a huge difference. People are naturally drawn to those who walk with purpose, maintain strong posture, and make direct eye contact. You don't need to speak loudly to be noticed, just exude calm confidence. The real trick lies in your energy. When you're at ease and comfortable in your own skin, you're naturally more attractive. In fact, a study in psychological science found that people are subconsciously attracted to those who have a positive self-image. It's not just about looks, it's the vibe that counts. One of the easiest ways to begin is to smile more often. According to the science of happiness, smiling can increase your attractiveness by making you appear more approachable and kind. So, if you want to make a lasting impression, don't forget to flash that smile. Your vibe sets the stage for everything else. Chapter 2: The Art of Emotional Depth. How to speak to their soul to make someone obsessed with you. The key is to connect emotionally. Studies have shown that emotional connection is one of the strongest predictors of lasting attraction. People want to feel seen, heard, and understood, and that's where you come in. When you engage in deep conversations, share your own experiences, and actively listen, you build trust and intimacy. In The 5 Love Languages, Gary Chapman talks about how understanding your partner's emotional needs is crucial for a strong relationship. Maybe they value words of affirmation, or perhaps they crave quality time. Understanding and tapping into these needs makes them feel appreciated on a level that's hard to ignore. But it's not just about talking, it's about listening. According to Harvard Business Review, the best conversationalists spend more time listening than talking. People are naturally more drawn to those who make them feel validated and heard. So, next time you're with someone, try really listening and responding to their feelings. It can create a bond that goes far beyond simple attraction. Chapter 3: Mystery and Magnetism. The Power of Controlled Curiosity. Have you ever noticed how some people seem to have an air of mystery about them? This isn't by accident, it's part of the psychology of attraction. People crave what they can't easily obtain. A study by the University of Chicago found that when we encounter something or someone that piques our curiosity, our brains release dopamine, a chemical linked to pleasure. In other words, curiosity makes us feel good and keeps us coming back for more. But how do you cultivate that sense of mystery? It's all about strategic disclosure. Instead of revealing everything about yourself all at once, keep certain aspects of your life just out of reach. Don't be an open book, leave them wanting more. According to The Art of Seduction by Robert Greene, mystery is a powerful tool to create desire. The more someone has to guess about you, the more they'll be drawn in. You can also keep the mystery alive through your actions. A little unpredictability goes a long way. In fact, a 2020 study in Psychology Today showed that people find unpredictability in relationships exciting and engaging. The occasional surprise or change in routine can keep things fresh and make the other person feel intrigued. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more strategies like this. We're just getting started, and the best tips are yet to come. Chapter 4: The Glow-Up Effect. Become a version of yourself they can't resist. While it's important to attract someone emotionally and mentally, physical attraction still plays a part. But here's the thing, looking good isn't just about following trends or getting the perfect body, it's about investing in yourself. Whether it's getting fit, pursuing a passion, or simply improving your mental well-being, becoming the best version of yourself is magnetic. In fact, studies in social psychological and personality science suggest that personal growth can significantly increase your attractiveness. People are more drawn to those who are constantly evolving and improving. So, take that extra step to upgrade your life. Learn new skills, work on your fitness, or pick up a new hobby. You'll become someone they can't stop thinking about. Self-love is the foundation of attraction. When you love and respect yourself, it shows. According to Psychology Today, people with high self-esteem tend to attract others who also value themselves. It's a cycle that feeds itself. The more you shine, the more others will want to be around you. Chapter 5: The Power of Selective Attention. Master the art of subtle flirting. One of the most effective ways to make someone obsessed with you is through selective attention. Think about it, when you make someone feel like they're the only person in the room, you immediately create a connection that feels special. Small gestures, like intense eye contact, light touches, or making them the center of your conversation, can make a huge impact. Flirting doesn't have to be obvious or overly bold. According to Psychology Today, subtle flirting, like gently teasing or mirroring their body language, can trigger feelings of attraction without feeling forced. It's about letting them know that they're on your radar without being too forward. Additionally, people love to feel admired. Compliment them on something they're passionate about or how they carry themselves. Make them feel like they stand out in a crowd. According to the Journal of Social Psychology, compliments make people feel appreciated and can increase their desire for you. Chapter 6: The Magnetic Mindset. Master the law of attraction and love. The final strategy to making someone obsessed with you is to harness the power of your mindset. If you believe you can attract the right person, you're already halfway there. The law of attraction suggests that like attracts like. When you exude positive energy and believe in your worth, others are more likely to be drawn to you. Visualization is a powerful tool here. Athletes often use visualization to boost performance, and you can use it to attract love. Imagine yourself in a loving, passionate relationship and feel the emotions as if it's happening right now. Research from the University of Minnesota has shown that visualization can significantly improve performance in both personal and professional areas. Positive affirmations are another great tool. When you tell yourself that you are worthy of love and admiration, it shifts your mindset. This isn't just wishful thinking, it's based on the self-fulfilling prophecy, a psychological concept that says we tend to make our beliefs about ourselves come true. So, start telling yourself, I am magnetic, and watch how others begin to see you that way too. Make sure to subscribe for more amazing insights into attraction and love. By putting these strategies to work, you'll soon notice the magic happening in your own relationships. Conclusion: to make someone obsessed with you isn't about playing games or manipulating them. It's about becoming the best version of yourself, cultivating a magnetic energy, and forming deep emotional connections. By using these strategies, you'll create an irresistible attraction that draws others in. Remember, when you love yourself and live with confidence, obsession will follow naturally.